Hi, welcome to yet another free lesson brought to you by futuresclasses.com. Today we will discuss how to read a futures ticker. Ever looked at a futures ticker and felt like you were trying to read ancient hieroglyphics, letters, numbers, random symbols? It can look intimidating, but once you break it down, it's actually a simple code. Let's decode it together. Take a look at this ticker. MNQU26. It looks like a random string, but it gives you four crucial pieces of information. M. This prefix stands for micro. It means it's a micro contract, which has lower margins and smaller tick values than standard contracts. NQ. This is the main asset, the E-mini Nasdaq 100 index. U. This letter is the expiration month code. In the futures world, U stands for September 26. And finally, the year code. This contract expires in the year 2026. Wait, why does U mean September? Futures markets use specific letters for each month of the year, like F for January, G for February, and H for March. You don't need to memorize them all right away because March, H, June, M, September, U, and December, Z, are the most common quarterly contract months you'll trade. Just keep a reference chart handy. Understanding these tickers is crucial for risk management. For example, look at the difference between the standard Nasdaq contract, NQ, and the micro contract, MNQU26. A standard NQ contract requires a high margin of over $12,000 to trade, and every single tick is worth $5. But the micro contract? The margin drops to around $1,200 plus, and the tick value is just 50 cents. This makes micro contracts a perfect lower barrier entry point for beginners. Once you can read the ticker and understand the contract specifications, you can confidently use your charts to identify your entry and exit points. Boom! You just mastered futures tickers. Head over to futuresclasses.com for more trading breakdowns, and we'll see you in the next video.